is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Do you guys think recording with an action camera for vlogging is stupid?
Wide
Angle, and it's a lot more sharp, but you can see on the edges that it's a little bit like curved in, and that's one thing a lot of people don't like when they're watching vlogs, because they don't like that curved in look. It's good for when you're doing moto vlogs in the car, when you're doing vlogs on your dirt bike or motorcycle. It's good for that because it gets a huge wide angle, and normally when you're on a motorcycle and you're turning left and right, it doesn't really distort. But if we do something like this, is that a little bit better, because you kind of crop in the image and it makes it a less distortedness and it's less wide. It's 120 degrees instead of 170.
So once you recorded your clips on your Sony action camera, you're going to click on action camera, and basically we're going to go back to the very beginning, and you see there's a timeline like you would have on your computer. You click the plus symbol, and then you find where the clips are that you want to edit. And this is a way to super fast edit your clips. Like if you want to upload them instantly to Instagram or to YouTube or Facebook, you can do that as well. And here's all the clips that I recorded, and you're going to just clip them all together. You can't really do any really crazy edits. All it is basically editing clips together like you would on Windows Movie Maker and stuff. You could do a time lapse as well, and as you see, the clips are ready to be edited. And this is just a quick way to upload something quick, fast, and for social media. So you can see I'm walking into the scene, and then I clip here, I click edit, and then you see me walk over here. I clip that. I do my little talky talk, and then I'm going to clip that. And then you see what I'm doing is I'm using my phone as the remote. So the phone is actually the remote that actually starts the camera. And I walk in. I do my little talk here. And then in a second I'm going to exit the clip. And then you see me walking in here, talking about how wide angle the lens is. So I'll go clip here, and then you go clip here, and then when you go to the very, very, very beginning of the clip, here's what it's going to look like when it is done being rendered. It gives you more of a like cinematic kind of feel to it. You really can't, like I said, you really, okay, I might take that. That took a little too long for that clip to end. So you go here, you hit here, and then the door opens, and then so on and so forth. And then when you go to render the video, you could do it in a 1080p format or a 720p format, depending on if you want the highest resolution or what your camera's recording. But I know for a fact when you use the Sony action camera, they even have a GoPro app that you can edit on the fly. So if you guys are just wanting to do quick edits like on your phone when you're at work, or you just want to upload them to Instagram or Facebook very quickly, you can do it like that, because there's a lot of times I upload a lot of videos to my Instagram and they're just edited on this app very quickly and whatnot. Like I said, I wish they would add a lot more than just clipping clips together, because sometimes you want to do a little bit more editing, and then that takes the aspect of you have to edit what you can on your phone, then you have to upload it to your computer and finish editing there. Sometimes it's good just to have a bunch of clips that are already semi-edited, and then you can upload them to your computer and then finish editing them by adding color correction or voiceovers or music or something like that. But that is my quick tip on how you guys can take just a Sony action camera. I have the HDR AS15, which is the 1080p at 60 frames per second action camera that came out like 2011, 2012. This bad boy still works, and I've had it since 2014. It's dropped off my car. It's fallen on the ground. I stepped on it before. This bad boy does work, and I would recommend it for anybody starting YouTube, motovlogging, anything. And the cool thing about it is it has a microphone input, so you can plug in a microphone if you want. They actually have a camcorder input, so you can put it into a camcorder, and then when you go like this, you have a flip out LCD screen basically making it a action camera into a camcorder. But it is, like I said, a cool camera. It's highly overlooked because most people are like, I gotta get the GoPro, sir, because the GoPro's best. No, the GoPro's just the more famous name. That's all it is. The action camera is like a very good action camera, very good camera, but no one talks about it because GoPro does more marketing and just has more name out there. But it is what it is. Like I said, you could either use the Sony action camera, the GoPro, whatever. You can even record clips on your cell phone and then use the Sony action camera editing app to clip those clips together and make a little vlog and then upload it to YouTube. But it is what it is, man. That's just my tip on how you could start vlogging on the go with your phone and whatnot. You just want to make sure your phone has like 64 gigabytes of internal memory or more to be able to render these files, because the files in here can be semi-big. But as always, I'm Trevor. Thanks for watching.